Western Mass News is your vaccine authority. Governor Charlie Baker today announcing new COVID-19 vaccination information. The state is extending its reach to a population struggling with access, the homebound. And there's an increase in the supply of vaccines for the coming weeks. Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo is live in Springfield with more on that. Audrey?
Homebound residents can now reach out to a state hotline in order to get information about the vaccine and set up an appointment. But one Springfield resident we spoke with says the details on exactly how she would get that vaccine were not 100% clear when she called it earlier today.
My doctor told me if I want to live, I can't leave the house.
Getting the COVID-19 vaccine has been a difficult reach for those who are homebound, like Toby in Springfield. Toby saw the governor announce the Homebound vaccine program Thursday.
He put out an 844 number to call, which I did immediately.
State officials say they're looking to vaccinate roughly 25,000 homebound people through this program. They say depending on the city, homebound people will either get the vaccine through their local health department or through a state partner from nonprofit Commonwealth Care Alliance.
We will utilize the Johnson & Johnson single-dose vaccine.
Toby says the person who answered the hotline call initially said Springfield's homebound residents would get the vaccine through the city's health department, but then told her that wasn't the case. Western Mass News reached out to Springfield's health department for more clarity. The city's Health and Human Services Commissioner told us Springfield has not received word from the state yet that her department will administer homebound vaccines. When the program starts on March 29th, Helen Colton-Harris says she expects to use the state's Commonwealth Care Alliance framework until further notice. This comes as the governor announced more vaccine supply from the federal government in the coming weeks.
The Commonwealth received 330,000 first and second doses as part of our state allocation from the federal government.
Plus, Governor Baker says there will be a bump in the Johnson & Johnson supply.
And we've been informed that we're going to receive about 40,000 additional doses of the one-dose J&J vaccine.
Instilling hope in those who are eligible, but unable to get the vaccine without extra help.
One way or another, we should be taken care of.
Now, the numbers you see on your screen will get you through to that hotline. State officials confirmed there are 2 numbers that you can try. And the hotline is going to be available Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, and there will be language options available in English and Spanish. Now, coming up on Western Mass News at 6, we'll have more information about something the governor mentioned in his press briefing today with regards to a rise in cases among people who are 30 and under. We'll have more on that and the test positivity rate here in Massachusetts. Live in Springfield, Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.